Hello, my name's Les Litwin. I'm the Technical Sales Director of Antrica. Today I wanted to show you how we integrate a Viper camera. These are quite popular are becoming more popular. So just wanted to show you how we integrate that with the Spotbox ANT-37500. So this is the camera on 0150, this is the Spotbox on 0222. So the first thing we need to do is go into cameras, and we're going to search for cameras. So we click the search button, and this will effectively allow the Spotbox to look on the network for any ONVIF cameras. As you can see, we found 3. I'm going to use the 0.150 as that is the Viper. I'm going to give it a name and call it Viper so that we can identify it. The username and password is the default that the camera comes with. So that's relatively easy, so we can add that, and as you can see, it now pops up down here. We then query it, and what is happening now is that the Spotbox is looking for the ONVIF profiles which are available. As you can see, there are 6 mixtures of unicast and multicast. We're going to select purely the unicast ones and save all of that. Then when we go to views, you will see that only one camera shows up in the views, and let's assume we want to set up the grid 2x2, as you can see here. So here you have the 4 views. Actually, that's already been set, so let me show you from scratch. So what you do, it's a drag and drop. You can put it wherever you want. I'll put it in view 2 for this particular example, and I'll save that. And then we can also pop one into a 3x3, and I'll put that in slot 4, for example. And grid 1, obviously we can just pop that in there and save that. So now if we go into the home page, one of the features of the Spotbox is that we have a preview window which allows you to view what the HDMI output is showing. So if we, at the moment in the view mode, we're in 2x2, so if we play that, you can see that the Viper, let me just show you that there is actually some sort of action going on there. And then if we go into 3x3 mode, just waiting for the display to change, and you can see that the 3x3 is showing the Viper, and of course in 1x1 it will then show another view. The interesting thing is that the Spotbox picks the profile which is best suited for the view. So in this case, in 1x1, it's actually showing here a full 4K image effectively, but if we move to 3x3, it will show a different profile, because obviously the 4K profile won't be decoded in this particular view because the 37500 is not powerful enough. So anyway, that gives you an example of how to integrate a Viper camera with an ANT-37500.